I've recently been asked for a tutorial on how to have several different rate profiles on a switch after I demonstrated it at the weekend. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to start by plugging in our drone to our PC. So once you've opened up Betaflight and you are connected to your drone, then you're going to need to move into, first of all, your PID tuning to add your 3 different rate profiles. You do that in rate profile setting here. Now this is the rates that I was running on this. I've actually changed them since. So let's put in what my actual rates are nowadays. They're a little bit more crazy. So we are at 900, 800 and 0.5 and 0.7. Okay, so that's my actual rate profile. And we can go to rate profile number 2, but we're going to name this one. And the reason we're going to name it is so that on your goggles, you can actually see which rate profile you've got selected. And I'm going to name it My Rates. And then here, where it says rate profile number 1, is a little drop down. If you go to rate profile number 2, it brings up a new setting. So for this particular one, what we'll do is we'll leave it as Betaflight defaults. We'll add a little bit of expo. And we'll put it as newbie. And I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll also add a scale throttle limit to say 75% as well. So make it really newbie friendly now. Okay, and then we're going to go crazy now. We'll call this crazy. Now, I am going to add a bit more expo to this for landing and taking off, because this is going to be a bit mental on an 8S drone. And we'll add, say, 0.1 of expo just to make it a little bit more manageable on landing and takeoff. So we've set up our 3 rate profiles. We've got crazy, newbie, and my rates. Now what we need to do is a way to actually adjust them. And it's up to you how you do it. You can have them on a switch here so that they adjust on a switch, on a dial, sorry, or you can have them on a switch. And that is my personal preference, is to put them on a switch, because on a dial you can accidentally knock them, or it can be in between 1 and 2, and all of a sudden you've got a newbie flying it and it just gets knocked with the finger or whatever, and they're in rate profile crazy. So if we go into adjustments, if we go into, first of all, receiver, because I need to know which switch this is. Now this is telling me this is aux 3. So if we go into adjustments here, and we're going to enable 3 of these, and we're going to enable them all on aux 3. And over here, we're going to enable this to aux 3. And then we are going to have that position there, and we're going to have that position there, and we're going to have that position there. You can see by the horizontal and vertical bars crossing each other, it means we are in that position. Now we need a rate profile selection. And hit save. And you've done it. Simple as that. If we go into PID tuning and rate profiles now, as I change it, it changes to rate profile 2 and rate profile number 3. And it is literally as easy as that. You want to make life a little bit easier for you. If you scroll into the OSD section and then scroll down, and you have got an option for rate profiles in here as well. So if we select that and we put that there, in your goggles, when you change this now, it will bring up the name that you've named them. And that's why we named them. So back into PID tuning, back into rate profile settings. So crazy, newbie, and my rates. Just to really quickly demonstrate this, I've actually got my phone connected to my goggles, which anybody can do. You can do that whenever you want and somebody can watch you fly. But what this will allow me to do is once it connects to the drone and the O4 Pro, it'll bring up a live view and I can actually show you on here. I'll make it bigger. The rates at the bottom. So currently it says my rates. And as I change that, it then goes to newbie rates. And it then goes to crazy rates. I've actually got the beeper on the same switch. So ignore the beeping in the background if indeed you can hear it. But that is literally how you know which rates you're on, how to do it, how to change it, and how to add something on your screen so that you are able to see it. Simple as that. Any questions whatsoever or any more video requests, please do drop them in the comments down below. Until next time, peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.